welcome to our channel.
Welcome! Hi! My name is Shaam and I'll be solving the Rubik's Cube. And by the way, I'm 7 years old.
The first step of solving the Rubik's Cube is to make the white cross. Then, after you solve the cross, now you will be working on your edges, the edges. Step number 3 is to make the second layer of the other colors, any random color. Step 4 is to make the yellow cross. Fifth step, make the yellow edges ready. Please solve the color your cube has on the sides. There you go, the Rubik's Cube is solved. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our news videos. Bye!